Hi guys, this is Vijay and I hope you are doing well. In this video lecture, we will discuss the working principle of double acting reciprocating pump. Why it is called reciprocating pump? Because here you can see that the reciprocating motion, to and from motion of the piston, it is utilized to transfer the liquid. So it is called double acting reciprocating pump, as well as here the liquid will be act, or the fluid will be act on both sides of the piston. So it is called double acting reciprocating pump. So first of all, I will introduce about the different component of the pump, then after we will discuss the working principle of the double acting reciprocating pump. The first one is piston. Okay, so this piston, it will slide inside the cylinder. Okay, this is a cylinder. Okay, and this piston is remain inside the cylinder. Here S1 and S2, it is the suction valve at left hand side of the cylinder and right hand side of the cylinder, and here D1 and D2, it is the delivery valve at left hand side of the cylinder and right hand side of the cylinder. Okay, this is the inlet of the pump and this is the outlet of the pump. Okay, now we will discuss the working principle of double acting reciprocating pump. Here the liquid will act on both sides of the piston. Here you can see that this is the position of the piston whenever the piston will travel from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, so here you can see that due to the negative pressure means pressure below atmospheric pressure. So here the negative pressure will be generated. At that time, inlet valve will remain open and liquid will suck through S1. Simultaneously, whenever the piston will travel right hand side, at that time high pressure it will be generated in right hand side of the cylinder, and due to high pressure this delivery valve D2 it will open and liquid is discharged to the delivery tank. So here you can see that on left hand side of the piston, here suction will be take place. At that time S1 will remain open, and on right hand side of the cylinder, here due to the high pressure this D2 valve will open and delivery stroke it will be take place. So here we are considering the position of the piston is here whenever the piston will travel from left hand side to right hand side. Here the negative pressure will be generated, and we know that negative pressure means vacuum. At that time, due to the negative pressure, this inlet valve will remain open. At that time this S1 will open and fluid will suck into the cylinder. Okay, so here you can see that on left hand side of the cylinder the suction will be take place, and in suction stroke S1 will remain open. Simultaneously on right hand side of the cylinder, whenever the piston will travel from left hand side to right hand side, so here the high pressure will be generated, and due to the high pressure this delivery valve will remain open and this fluid is discharged to the delivery tank until the piston is reached up to the end of the stroke. Similarly, whenever the piston will travel from left hand side to right hand side, at that time here the negative pressure will be generated, and due to the negative pressure this S2 valve will remain open and here suction will be take place, and due to the movement of the piston from left hand side to right hand side, here the high pressure will be generated. In previous stroke already fluid will suck in the left hand side portion of the cylinder. So this fluid or liquid it is pressurized, and due to the high pressure at that time this delivery valve will remain open. So here you can see that during the movement of the piston from left hand side to right hand side, due to the negative pressure this S2 valve will remain open, and here the high pressure will be generated. At that time this delivery valve will remain open. So here you can see that the simultaneously suction and delivery stroke it will be take place on both sides of the piston. So it is called double acting reciprocating pump. So it is continuously supplied the liquid to the delivery tank. So this is the working principle of double acting reciprocating pump. I hope this content it will be helpful to you.